Hi, welcome to our booth.
So it looks like you have a lot of batteries and electric car chargers. And what is the kind of products you have?
是的，我们是专业生产移动电源、互动电源、汽车充电桩和交通的太阳能这个企业。
Yes, we are an enterprise specializing in the production of mobile power supply, household power supply, car charging piles, photovoltaic panels, and solar lamps.
Where's your factory based, and what is the most popular products you have?
我们有自己的工厂，工厂在中国的东北，吉林省长春市。
We have our own factory in the northeast of China, Changchun City, Jilin Province.
Is there like a really good price for some of these products? Like, let's say one of these, the one that you're using right now for the speaker with the plugs. Do you talk about price?
是的，我们的产品质量非常好，价格也非常便宜。像这样的产品，人民币只有315元。
Yes, the quality of our products is very good, and the price is very cheap. Like this product is only RMB 315.
So that's like less than $50 or something like that. What is the battery capacity on it?
价格里不是哪个足够，它的电池容量是多少？
这一款是蓝牙音箱，它有音箱的功能，它的电池容量是192瓦时。
Well, this one is a Bluetooth speaker. It has the function of a speaker. Its battery capacity is 192 watt-hours.
And do you have some bigger battery that's also interesting to have a look at?
就同一个款式，这一款的容量是最大的。如果容量更大一点的，就是选择其他的产品，我们的产品型号有很多。
As the same style, the capacity of this one is the largest. If the capacity is a little larger, we will choose other products. We have many product models.
Yeah, show me something with a larger capacity and try to explain me the price and what is the minimum order quantity?
考虑大容量的吗？并且向我解释一下价格及最低的容量是多少？
我的产品其实有很多，展位上没有全部摆出来。然后，
I actually have a lot of products, but not all of them are displayed in the booth.
All right, cool. So I will put the contact information for your company and people can contact you directly.
Put your company in touch.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.